Hi, this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar. I'm working as a trainer here. So one of our students got placed in the company, so she is going to share her experience.
Hello sir, I am Ramya. I completed BE-ECE in the year of 2025 from the Education School of Science, Commerce and Management. I joined this PySpider at the in the month of July, and
Which course you have taken?
I taken Python full stack testing. There Keshav sir taught me a Python, and Vijay sir also taught us, and SQL was taken by Avinash sir and Vinod sir, and in manual there Pradeep sir, Niranjan sir and Avinash sir taught me, and this boot camp and mock interview all helped me to crack the interview.
Congratulations.
Thank you sir.
Thank you.